Welcome, in front of me I have Listo SP50 and today I will show you how you can switch on or switch off this smartphone. So at the first we are going to switch it off. You have to find power key and click and hold it. When you get this menu, you have to click power off, click OK, and as you can see, after a few moments our device will be turned off. When you feel vibration and when the screen is totally black, it means that the device is turned off. And right now, if you want to turn it off, you have to also click and hold that power key on the right edge. And when you feel vibration, you can release that key. And now just wait until your smartphone turns on. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.